Hey guys, welcome. In this episode I'm gonna show you how you can install 8085 simulator. So let's get started with this thing. Go to Google, then you have to type Java 64 if you have 64-bit of operating system. Then you have to go to here, click on this first link, then it will open its original website, and then scroll down. If you have 64-bit, then you can click on this. If you have 32-bit, it will automatically display according to your system requirements. Once you click this, it will start downloading. I'm not going to download this because I have already installed that in my downloads. Okay, after that you have to click on this. After clicking on this, it will pop up like this. Then you have to click on install. Wait until it's get installed in your PC. After you install that software, then it will show you that you have successfully installed this Java. You have to close this. Once it is done, then you have to open this rar file. I will provide you this rar file in my description so that you can get this file. Okay, once it is done, then you have to click on this, right click, then extract files, click on that. Then it will you have to select a specific folder. I'm selecting this desktop for it. Once it is done, then you have to click on this. When you open this folder, you will get this 8085 compiler. When you click on this, you will get your 8085 simulator. So this is the software which you are going to work in this. This is the software. We have successfully installed our 8085 simulator. So I'm ending this up. So congratulations for successfully installing this software. With this, I'm ending this episode. If you're new here, please subscribe my channel and please promote it, because I want more subscribers so that I can make more videos for you. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.